All right, what's up all you car enthusiast lovers, right? Today we'll be taking a look at something special. You already know what it is by looking at the thumbnail video, but stay with us. We're gonna take a quick peek at the Monte Carlo SS. Woo, this is a good one. All right, everybody, so as I'm doing on some of these old school car videos, I'm asking for my viewers to get in the comments section. Let us know what year you think the vehicle is. Let us know how much money you think the vehicle possibly is worth to you or what it could be sold for. Get in there, give me your thoughts and opinions about the cars. Again, I'm no automotive expert. I'm more of a car guy behind the camera. I'm filming them, checking them out, showing them to you. And hey, hopefully if you see something that I have found, maybe it will be a vehicle that you may purchase, right? That is the name of the game at the end of the day, folks. A lot of car YouTubers, they do not sell them. They just film them and talk about them. I'm trying to do a little bit of both. And I think that's what makes me a little bit different. So anyways, it's hot as hell out here today. And we're gonna take that off for a second. But let's go ahead and take a look at this SS Monte Carlo. My old buddy Joe out here today was giving me a little, holy macaronis. I hope that's not a banana spider. Oh man, I can't stand spider webs. I can't stand snakes, insects, roaches, anything that has to do with ugly and iggy. I don't like it, okay? Anyways, not that snakes are ugly really, but they are kind of spooky. All right, anyways, let's take a look at it. Our buddy Joe was giving me a little bit of information. He doesn't really know what year Monte Carlo this is. And we looked at a Chevy Corvette a minute ago that was around $4,500. Don't know exactly what the dealership's gonna ask for this one or the year, and I can't find the key. Well, I found the key, it's inside the ignition, but we can't unlock it right now, and I don't have a Slim Jim. But let's take a look at the vehicle, and that's kind of what we're gonna do. All right, so here it is, right? The Monte Carlo. Let's see if we can get in the best position we are. We are filming today on a GoPro Hero 7 and a new GoPro camera, so damn, give a big shout out to GoPro out there, folks. Get you a camera today and get out and start filming life a little bit. Definitely in black, you know, it's black under all the pollen. Joe basically said that what we're seeing on these older vehicles out here is basically pollen build up over years of the vehicle sitting, okay? He says it will come off, but it's gonna take some scrubbing and some work and some soap and degreasers or whatever you can get on there to get the pollen off, right? We're gonna roll into a clip here in just a moment and let y'all see the engine, and Joe is gonna give us a little more information about it. But before we do, let's just kind of look at the body on her, see how she's doing. This is either fiberglass or polyurethane. Headlights, grill, front end's actually in really pretty decent shape here on this old school Monte Carlo. I've always loved how the how Chevrolet did the pinstriping. You got this red that just rolls right through the front bumper and rolls right on down. And then also you got three different colors here. It looks like you got red, kind of a tan, and a brown maybe. I don't know. I am somewhat colorblind, but you got three different colors on that pinstripe that goes all the way down. Let's take a look. Obviously the tire's out on that one, but those are original Chevrolet wheels. And then you got this red pinstripe that rolls here, goes up and lines on the fender there, which looks nice. And then down there on the bottom, right, on the body lines, you got the SS Monte Carlo logo, still in pretty decent shape there. The mirrors are in good shape. I mean, the main thing we're looking at today is the actual condition of the body, because if you were gonna buy this, you know, this is a, you know, it's gonna get down to money. You know, you're gonna say, you know, how much money are we gonna be dumping into this car? Now, some people have expendable incomes for stuff like this and can say, all right, if I gotta put 10 grand, 20, 30, 40 in it, we can. And some people aren't like that. But the body of the vehicle is actually in pretty damn good condition, as in no major dents, dings, or anything like that, right? Look at the hood. I know it's covered in pollen or stained in pollen, but the body lines and all are in pretty good shape. The fender, not bad, right? Again, I'm not seeing any dents or dings on the body. The roof line, take a look at that. I mean, the roof's in great shape. Nice and flat up there, right? That's positive. Windows. You know, you also want to look at this stuff, okay? I mean, of course, it's peeling and whatnot, but no major cracks or anything like that in there. You know, these are things you will fix on a vehicle as you're restoring it, the rubber moldings and all that. These little black back windows. Now, you're also going to look for rust. So we're seeing a little bit of surface rust right there in that spot right there. So that's my first time seeing it on this car, and that's the first indication to let us know that yes, the vehicle does have rust on it in certain spots. May have not eaten away at the entire vehicle yet, but that's for sure. Any person that works on cars, and again, I'm no expert, folks, please remember, but please let me know if you're a person that is into restoring vehicles. Are these common spots right here for rust to start at, right here on these corners and edges? Looks like this here, you know, water goes down in there, but also looks like a little spot for things to get trapped, right? Little leaves and stems and dirt gets trapped into there. Back window. Man, how about we write on here, you can't even do it. I was gonna write on there, love me, right? Rear deck lid spoiler in good shape, trunk's in good shape. You know, I mean, 2-door, big trunk, big rear end on it. I'm telling you, Americans love big front ends and big rear ends, right? They sure do. But there's the back, dual exhaust. Take a look at this. Look at those exhaust pipes, man. They got the Chevy logo there. Pretty cool. It's got a knight's head or something. Look at that. That's kind of cool looking. Something from the gladiator days, right? A little rust there where the keyhole is. So unfortunately, we can't get in the vehicle right now and open things up and really look in there, but who knows what's inside of this car, whether it's, you know, bees, wasp nests, snakes and whatnot. But anyways, taillight's cracked, so you're definitely gonna need to get a new taillight on this Monte Carlo. So that's the first cosmetic thing I've seen that's going on with it. Now, I don't know if it's me or the car, but you know, that gap right there seems pretty big, okay? Guys and girls, let me know if you're familiar with Monte Carlos. Is that gap there normal? Is the door just off? Not really. That gap is pretty big from that door to that part there. So let me know what y'all think about that. We looked at the motor earlier, so let's go ahead and dive right into that, and then we'll take a look at the exhaust. Joe, any info I can share that you know about on this one?
I believe they rebuilt the motor in this one.
Oh.
We've got 350 in it.
That's a 350. Okay. Huh. That's the motor that was originally in there?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Rebuilt it. It's got a high performance. It's probably got cams and stuff in it because it's got a high performance distributor cap on it.
Uh-huh. And you think it runs?
I'm pretty sure it does, and I believe it's got a 2-barrel carburetor on it.
2-barrel carburetor. Huh. This is actually another one.
It's in good shape.
Yeah. Now, what is this that's on here?
Pollen.
That's pollen right there.
Mm-hmm.
And that's pollen over years.
Yeah, that's pollen that sits on it for years.
And does that ever come off?
Mm-hmm.
What, I mean, would it wash it? Would a pressure washing on get that off?
Wash it, come right off.
Come right off. And the paint's probably pretty damn good under there.
You pressure wash it and then wax it and buff it.
Yeah.
It'll be
How could you just let stuff like this just sit though? And
he's got more cars. He's got more.
I know.
He's got more classics.
Right. Oh, he's got one I'm gonna go film out in a barn somewhere.
Yeah.
A Camaro.
Yeah. Camaro. And then he's got Trans Am. He's got a Model T.
But they're like they're just. They're not in great shape. They're like.
Oh, he's got them in good shape. The other ones are in good shape.
Yeah.
He's got another one at Paint and Body Shop that just sits there.
Yeah, he told me. I forgot what that one was, but yeah. Mm-hmm. Some kind of Plymouth Duster thing in the garage.
A Duster or a Dart?
You said a Duster.
Probably a Duster.
Yeah, it's primered. It needs work.
You got Dart and Duster.
Yeah. This one body's in great shape.
Mm-hmm.
Think this would cost more than the Corvette?
That Corvette, I don't know. All depends.
Yeah. This though is in the years of the 70s or this is 80s? I don't know. Of course, it's locked. The keys are probably inside.
Yep.
I'm gonna go find them.
No, they're on top of the car.
Oh, really?
Yeah, they're in the ignition.
Oh.
They're in the ignition.
There you go. There's the rear. Looks pretty good. Taillight's still there. Spoiler off the back still there. Looks like it's even got some kind of little tow package. Let's get down and see if we can see a little more.